Rere mũrũgamĩrĩri wa bajeti arekereirie riboti ya ũhũthĩri wa mbeca bũrũri-inĩ. Gabana wa Kitui Julius Malombe ni areganĩte na riboti ĩrĩa ĩrutirwo ĩgiĩ kaunti yake ya Kitui, akiuga atĩ matiraitanga mbeca ũrĩa kũrerĩkana.
So far, the county government of Kitui, both the county executive and council assembly, has spent 4 billion Kenya shillings on payment of staff salaries against an approved budget of 14.27 billion.
Akiaria mũcemanio-inĩ na speaker wa kaunti ĩyo hamwe na adudu ya maminista a kaunti, Gabana Malombe ni ateanĩirie riboti ĩyo, akiuga atĩ kaunti ĩyo ĩhũthĩrĩte ciringi bilioni 4 iria nĩ gĩcunjĩ kĩa 28 harĩ 100 bajeti-inĩ ya bilioni 14.
Kitui county budget for the 2023-2024 financial year amounts to 14 billion.24, which compared it to 5.39 billion, which is at 8%, goes to personnel emoluments, which is salaries, and 3.8 billion, which is 24%, goes for operations and maintenance, and 5.3 billion is, or that 8% is the one which was set aside for development.
Speaker wa kaunti Kevin Katisia augĩte nĩ mahĩtia kũheana riboti itarĩ na uma kuona nĩ ĩrathũkĩria ũtongoria wa kaunti ĩyo rĩtwa.
I want to support what our governor has said and ask the controller of budget and also the office of the auditor general to check again on their records, because what they are doing, they are issuing alarming and misleading statements to the public. Moving forward, those two offices, we respect them, they are independent constitutional offices, but they must cross-check facts before issuing public statements which are alarming and misleading.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Muthoni wa Gacathi.